What up, bro? In this video, first of all, I know what you may be thinking. Where's the hair, bro? Well, yesterday I got kind of bored, so I just decided to cut it. Summer, it's Friday, and let's not let that bother us, okay? But in this video, I'm gonna take you into this freaking day. It's currently 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Session will literally open in 30 minutes. So let's get into the markets and let's make some bread today, trading the NAS 100 or US 500. But yeah, man, trading is very stressful. That's why I lost the hair. So I'm gonna sell the markets right about now, which is broke structure the second time. What does that mean? After liquidity sweep, we got this amazing liquidity before. This is a market structure shift. I got entered around here actually. So I'm pretty up right now. I got filled around here. I'm gonna put the stop loss above the order block right there because that's how it goes. Order block is like a shield for us. I'm gonna target like pretty decent because since this is a market structure shift, I'm gonna target this as my TP take profit, right? And we got this liquidity above here, so most likely the price may not want to go above there because we already took like daily time frame liquidity. So man, this is my entry for today, and I'm looking forward for the price to go down from here. All right, so let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. And yeah, I'm gonna remove. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. That's what up. That's what up, man. Bang. All I gotta say, bang. Okay, you saw that. Okay, pretty clean, pretty neat, pretty saw that coming, right? We saw that coming. Okay, we got that MSS market structure shift prior to daily time frame liquidity. I'm gonna explain you everything so you can do that. Do this on your own every single day. Sheesh, brother. What up? That's what we do. That's what we do. 2.7K. 2.7K. That's just a chill summer day. I was just chilling at the balcony, took some sun, took some tanning with the new cut. And I know, guys, this is like crazy. This new cut. I like it though. I kind of like it. I'm gonna be honest. Today I woke up, I didn't recognize myself from the mirror when I look at myself. But then I was like, damn. Actually looks pretty clean. But man, and I'm talking, let's do the recap. Let's do the recap. So you can do this every single day. If we look closely, man, we got this daily time frame sweep of liquidity. Why? Because this is a high in the daily time frame. This is a high right here, sweep. And then we got this rejection candle. All right. What is a rejection? Literally the candle rejecting itself away from the area. Okay. Then we go to the 1 minute time frame. As you see, session opens, pre-market session sweeps liquidity. The price sweeps liquidity pre-market about like 3 minutes before the session opens. Session opens, we took some liquidity below, continue up, and then we don't get the reaction yet because the volume comes in. Okay, what happens? The market literally manipulates the price. The big banks, institutions manipulates the price. A lot of people got stopped out because bang, reverse. Why? Because the liquidity is still valid. Okay, it still has a lot of potential right there. Now, if you look closely, what happens? We got the MSS market structure shift prior to the liquidity. We got the first break structure right here. As you can see, low, down kind of body closes below that. Then after that, naturally, we'll create this order block right here. What happens? Order block gets respected. That's a very good sign if you want to see that break structure again, the market structure shift. Respect the freaking order block. Trend starts to form into the downtrend. Broke structure again. Bang. This is a low. Down candle body closes below that. That's a break structure number 2. That's a market structure shift. I got entered around here when the price rejected a little bit, rechased a little bit, and then boom, I targeted this low as my take profit. This was the session open low. As soon as the session opened, we got this low right here. So that's a nice liquidity. And I target liquidity because liquidity can switch the market directions trend. And essentially, I could have targeted more. I could have taken like a sniper entry, but this is good enough for me. This is like Friday price action. Yesterday was a bank holiday, Juneteenth. What was it? Juneteenth, yeah. And obviously I wasn't trading, but now it's Friday. I 2.3x'd my risk. So essentially, where was the PNL? Let me go back. Yeah, $2.7 thousand in less than 10 minutes, I think. Okay, and you saw it. Okay, you literally saw it. You saw the PNL moving from negative to positive. Hey man, first trade with the buzz. How do I feel? I feel all right. I feel all right. I didn't do any fades with this one because I like it old school. These fades, like I used to like fades, like with hair, but I think it's kind of like, you know, it was like a trend. Some people still rock with it. Some people like it. I like it. It's all right. Trend. They're freaking fades, but man, gyms are closed because in my country there's a holiday. But man, we gotta rock with it. Okay, we gotta do some calisthenics after this. But man, day is done, homie. Day is done. And follow me on Instagram, AdrielCash7. I'll put it in the link in the description. Not the link, but the tag, so you can find me on Instagram. Make sure to follow me. And if you came from this video, if you just came from this video and follow me, and you message me on Instagram that said, yeah, I came from this recap, etc., then I'll give you a gift, okay? So you can become profitable faster. All right. As usual, brother. I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.